All right, example 3 here. This is the last example dealing with these isosceles triangle problems. In the following isosceles triangle, A is the vertex angle. So that's important. We want to go back to that original diagram. That vertex angle is the one at the top that's not equal. That's the oddball one. So A is the vertex angle. Let's make some note of that. That's my vertex. Shoop. Which means that angle B and angle C are congruent. Those two angles are the same because those are the base angles. It's always important to write down your thinking with these. Okay, so they give me the measure of angle ABC is 3x plus 11. So ABC, so that's this guy right here, 3x plus 11. And then they give me BAC, which BAC, which is this guy up here, which would be 5x plus 13. And find the measure of angle C. Nope, let's use a different color. Blue. CBA. CBA. So they're looking for this one. This is the one they want. CBA, yes. All right. So again, keywords here. I have an isosceles triangle telling me that I have two congruent sides and two congruent angles. So are these two angles congruent? Can I take that green angle and set it equal to the red angle? Are those the same? And the thing is that they are not. Those angles are not the same because one is the vertex and not the base angle. So we cannot set those two equal because those are not equal. Let's make a note of that somewhere. Angle A is not equal to angle B. Okay, well, this might seem like we're stumped here. If you're stumped and there's nothing else you know how to do about isosceles triangle, then go to the fact that we have a plain old triangle. And a plain old triangle, we're dealing with angles here. We know that fact that the three angles of a triangle always have to add to 180 degrees. So I know, like we said up here, that angle B is congruent to angle C, which means I can label angles, geez, okay, yeah, just kidding. I can label angle C with that 3x plus 11, just like I did the angle B. Now I have expressions for all three of my angles that I can add up and set equal to 180 to find x. So that's what we're going to do. So 3x plus 11 plus 3x plus 11, again, because those two sides are equal. I had to use that information and what I know about isosceles triangles and what I know about triangles in general to make this equation. All right, let's math it up. 3x, 6x, 6 plus 5x is 11x. 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 plus 13 is going to be 50-something. 55? 35. Wrong word. Sorry. 22 plus 13 is 35 equals 180. That's why I don't do math in my head. Minus that 35 to both sides to isolate your variable. 180 minus 35 is 145. Divide by 11, divide by 11. I wonder what that's going to look like. Oh, geez, that's a hot mess. Did I math correctly? 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 is definitely 35. Definitely minus. 180 minus is definitely 145. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 5 is definitely 11. Yikes! So that didn't work out in my favor, but that's okay. So x is equal to 13.18 repeating, which in this specific incident, I will let you round to just plain old 13. All right, so we've got our x value. Now we got to answer the question. Question was asking me, find the measure of CBA. Okay, so the measure of angle CBA is equal to, we said CBA was that 3x plus 11. I have x as 13 now. So 13 times 3 is 39, plus 11 gives me a nice even 50. So the measure of angle CBA is equal to 50 degrees. Let's just clean that up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Good. Boom. All right, so again, just define everything, write down what you know about those things, and use your notes to try those practice problems.